Assalamualaikum. Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are always in good health. Okay? Please stay safe, okay? Now, for math today, Miss Misra is going to share with you about the topic of number order. Okay, number order. Let's begin. There is a rabbit. He is very hungry. He wants to eat. Unfortunately, the food, which is a carrot, is far away from him. Okay? He has to go through some steps to get to the food. The rabbit is smart though. He knows that the difference between the steps is 10. So, if he starts with step 1 on number 10 here, okay, it means that he has to step on number 20 for step 2. It is because 10 plus 10 is 20. Still with the same difference, 10. For step 3, he has to step on number 30. Yes, you're right. 20 plus 10 is 30. Therefore, with the same difference of 10, step number 4 must be 40. Yes, 30 plus 10 equals 40. The last step he has to go through is actually number 50. Yes, it is actually the product of 40 plus 10 equals 50. At last, the rabbit can reach his favorite food, the carrot. Okay? But you know what? The rabbit is still hungry. He still wants to eat another carrot here. Okay? He still needs to go through some steps. But some steps are marked already. We have step 1 marked 12, step 3 marked as 32, and step 5 marked as 52. Can you guess the difference between steps? Yes, you're absolutely right. The difference between step is 10. Yeah, it means if step 1 is 12 and then the difference is 10, it means that step 2 is 22 indeed. It's because 12 plus 10 equals 22. Step 3 is definitely 32 because 22 plus 10 equals 32. Okay, so step 4 must be, do you know? Yes, 42 because 42 is the product of 32 plus 10. The last step is no doubt is 52. It's because 42 plus 10 equals 50. Yay! The rabbit finally gets his favorite food again, and then he's very full now. Okay, now let's arrange some numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Terkecil sampai yang terbesar. This time, I have a frog. He is also hungry. He wants to eat the food. Okay, in this case, his food is a fly. However, he can only go from the smallest number to the greatest number. Okay, let's help him. Here we have some numbers. 13, 17, 9, 7, 15, 11, and also 5. From all these numbers, which one is the smallest? The smallest, which one? Is it 5? Yeah, you're right. So the frog should start from number 5 as the smallest number. Now, from 13, 17, 9, 7, 15, and 11. Which one is the smallest? Yes, it's number 7. You're right. Okay. So, after number 5, we have number 7. Do you know the difference between 5 and 7? Yep, it's 2. So the next number, 7 plus 2 is, 9. After number 9, okay, so who knows? What comes after number 9? 9 plus 2 is 11. You're right. Okay. Now we have 13, 17, 15. So what comes next? Yeah, you're right. 13. 13 here is the product of 11 plus 2. And it will lead us to the next number, number 15. 15 is the product of 13 plus 2. It means that we have number 17 as the last. So, we have arranged the numbers from the smallest here, number 5, terkecil, to the greatest here, 17, terbesar. Okay. Now, can we do the opposite? Let's arrange the numbers now from the greatest to the smallest, terbesar to the smallest. This time I have a mouse, okay? The mouse is trying to get to the cheese, okay? Let's help the mouse to go through some numbers. Okay, we have some numbers here: 85, 95, 75, 70, 90, 80, and also 65. So, which one out of these numbers is the greatest? Which one is the greatest? Terbesar. Yeah, it's 95. Okay, so the mouse should start with 95 as the greatest number. Okay, now let's check again. We have 85, 75, 70, 90, 80, and 65. Which one is the greatest? Yeah, 90. So the next number is 90. It means that the difference between 95 and 90 is 95 minus 90 is 5. So the difference is minus 5. Okay. So after 90, with the difference of minus 5, what comes next? 85. Yeah, you're right. 90 minus 5 is 85. Okay. Yes, the next one must be 80, because 80 here is the product of 85 minus 5. Okay. Next, after that, what we have here is actually 75. 75 is the result of 80 minus 5. 75. We only have like two numbers here, 70 or 65. What's next? Yeah, 70. Okay, it means that 65 is the smallest. There you go. You have arranged the numbers from the greatest here, 95, terbesar, to the smallest, 65. Okay, and then the mouse can get into his favorite, the cheese. Okay, I hope it's clear and you can understand about this order of number. Thank you for your attention. Now you can do your workbook, page 5 and 6. Good luck. Until we meet again. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.